I received sorry, PR package from Humble Heaven. She's the business that I promote for. I have a discount code. It's NAT10 for 10% off. And sorry, my camera. As I was saying, my PR is Humble Heaven. I hope y'all can see fine. Send me a package today, so I'm gonna open it for you guys. It's this one. I opened it from both of these sides. So okay. The first thing is this. Wow, this is a cool. I think it's long-lasting waterproof lip gloss. Oh, I thought it was a liquid lipstick. It's mauve burgundy. It's a fall color. I can't wait to use this for these these upcoming months for fall. Okay, next is this gold liner. Wow, I really need a liner. I think it's eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, or liquid glitter. Wow, this is cool. I've never tried these before. I'm really excited to try these. Wow, this is really cute. Wow. Okay, this is a purple color. Wow. Sorry, my throat. This is a lip liner. Oh wait, eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, and concealer pencil. Oh wow, it's like a 2-in-1 product. It's eyeliner pencil and like a concealer pencil. Wow, I've never seen this. This is dope. This is for your eyebrows. Okay, that's nice. This is this looks like Kat Von D. I don't know. I think it's like a dupe for Kat Von D, like a recreation. Not the actual brand, but you know, small brands like in the flea market, they sell these types of dupes. Like it's not the real brand, but it looks like it. I think. I don't know, but it's a purple. I don't know what it is. I think it's a liquid lipstick or an eyeliner. It has tape, so I can open it. Let me Oh wow, it's really long. Yeah, it's a liquid lipstick. It smells good. It smells like a Tootsie Roll or something. Okay, next. Wow, a palette, a 12 color shadows palette from Brightly Colored. Okay, this is nice. Oh, it's like I don't know. Wow, I love it. It's rainbow. It's colorful. I can't wait to use this. Wow. Wow, she hooked me up. She gave me a lot of stuff. Okay. What is it? Thanks for showing us love. Enjoy your goodies. Don't forget to tag us. Much love, Humble Heaven. Okay, she sent me a little cute letter. That's cute. Oh, is this MAC? Oh, I love MAC. It's a eyeliner pencil. Oh, it's waterproof. This is cool. Oh, it's like the rolling liner. Okay. I needed eyeliner. This is a fashion matte. I'm guessing a liquid lipstick is black, right? It has tape, so I can open it. This is her business card. Her socials are there. Okay. Wow. She came through for real. Wow. Ooh. These are the LA Colors Ice Pigment Powder and Toast. Wow. I think she showed us these in her DM. This is a different color. Wow. Okay, she said a lot of pigments. Oh no, this is different neon pigments. So I already have neon pigments. This brand got discontinued. I don't know why. What happened with it? Oh, she has a blue one. I really wanted the blue one. I don't have a blue one, so wow. Wow. This is awesome. Okay. What's next? Another palette. Wow. Ooh, and it reminds me of Lisa Fred, the rainbow packaging. Oh, I think this is from her actual brand. Oh wow, so colorful. It has pressed glitters. Oh, this one has stars and bright matte and shimmers. Wow. Okay, I think something fun. Wow, I can't wait to use this one. Ay, agarró mi pelo. It ripped my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a Clinkler Mermaid highlighter. Wow, I needed a powder highlighter. I just used pigment highlighter. I can open it, but it's like a white shade. This looks really pretty, especially for my skin tone because I'm fair, and I can use certain highlighters because they don't look good on me. But, oh, oops, my edge. I think that's it. So yes, thank you so much, Humble Heaven, for sending me these stuff. Can't wait to use them. So yeah, I have a discount code. I can't remember, it's Nat10 or Natalie10, but you save 10% off if you purchase her stuff in her website, and I'll leave the information in the description bar. Sorry. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. I don't know if I mentioned it in my last video, but girl, she's really supportive. She's really sweet and awesome. Y'all should follow her and buy her stuff. If y'all can afford it, then at least follow and support. I recommend her page. She's really great. So yeah, just wanted to make sure I say that. So yeah, but and I'm not saying it because she's my PR. She's actually cares about you as a human, not just like, oh, she's my promoter and just, you know, she actually does have like want to have like a relationship with you, not just work. It's really great. So yeah, I'm not just saying because I'm being biased because I support her brand. It's for real. I'm just speaking facts. But yeah, yeah. Okay, now bye. Oh, and I forgot, she also does makeup like me. She has an Instagram page. It's Moni Makeup 55, I think. I'll put it here. And yeah, if you don't want to buy makeup, then you can support her by her makeup page. She does makeup looks too. So yeah, okay, yeah.